put a Kirka CSS like this, or maybe even this. If you do, make sure to follow all the steps and hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. Anyways, let's get into it. Alright guys, so once we are in our browser, we're going to be looking up in our search bar, Kirka CSS gallery. And then we're going to hit the first link up here called Kirka Community Hub. And then they have a wide selection of crosshairs, CSS themes, map textures, looking for clans, recommended clients. Yeah, so we're just going to be doing CSS theme. And then I'm going to be hitting all. And then we can just look through a CSS that we want. Also, another thing to keep in mind, ones that don't say download, like the one right here, it has paid on it. And you can find that out by just looking at them, and it says paid, essentially. So I'm just going to be doing this one because I think it looks cool. So I already installed it because I have a CSS that looks like this. So another thing we're doing, we're going to be opening a new tab and then installing VS Code. All these links will be in a comment below. So then you want to do download for Windows or download for whatever system you're using, and then press save. And then just proceed to download it, I guess. So now we're in Visual Studio Code. We're gonna go to the start menu right here, and then we're gonna do open file, downloads, and then the one that you just downloaded, like the one CSS that you just downloaded. Alright, so we got this main CSS right here. Another thing, I already did this in like a discarded video because my OBS didn't work, so I'm going to be just deleting it and starting over again. This is the default CSS for Kirka.io, and when I plug it in with this, it looks like this. A CSS is basically something that just changes your browser kinda, and the customizations of it. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, this is the CSS that I downloaded. You could download any CSS. You don't have to download the CSS I'm using. We're gonna go back to VS Code, and then we're gonna be changing, just putting it to a random color. So I'm gonna be doing this to light blue, and then copying this. Another thing, if you downloaded the one I downloaded, look for line 40 on Glow clan name. You can just, I don't think the color matters really. Like, I could just delete all this. Oop, no I can't. But yeah, I think you might have to like mess with it a little. So yeah. Another thing, some CSSs they have this background image right here, and that's what we're going to be doing right now. So you want to go to a new tab in your browser, and you want to look up wallpapercave.com. And then I'm just going to search for like a solid color. Solid color 4K. I'm just going to be looking for a solid color that I want. So I'm just going to be choosing this one right here. I'm going to right click the image, copy it, and then we're going to go to Imgur. You don't have to sign up for this. We're just going to go to new post, and then just press Control V. And then one thing we don't want to do, we don't want to hit this copy link, this link, or this link. We're going to right click it, open image in new tab, go to that tab, and then it's gonna say imgur/r photo.png. If you don't do that, then it's not gonna register as like a photo. So we're just gonna be replacing almost everything with our solid color. Alright, so now that we did that, we can press Control A and then Control C to copy it, going to our client, and then input, and then, oh, I forgot to mention, whenever you are in a client, it has to, or no, it doesn't have to have it, but the official Kirka.io client does not have this feature enabled, I don't think. And if you're using like Faint Client, Dawn Client, the one made by Skywalk, I don't know the name, Obsidian Client, or any other clients, you want to press Shift, and then you want to go to, or I don't think it'll be hidden, Quick CSS, and then Control V to paste it, and then just click anywhere you want. And then yeah, this is basically the CSS that I did. If you do not want this glowing effect, you can go to the CSS that you did. The one I did before, you can just delete all this right here. And then just importing it. Yeah, I think it'll just stay on the color. But if you don't want to do that, then you can just simply pick a color you want. I'm going to be picking just this color. Now that we did that, I'm going to press Control A and then Control C. Then copying in our client, and then it'll look like this. So yeah, guys, this is basically, any watermarks that you want to remove, like the CSS by GG God, think it should be at the bottom area. I'm gonna press Control F to find, and then logo, and then we're just gonna delete this right here. Then pasting it in our client again. So yeah, that's basically how you get a Kirka.io CSS by just making it. Also, if you are gonna put it in the official Kirka.io CSS Discord channel, you have to credit the person that you took it off of from. So yeah, that's basically how you make it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you later.